complete angle bisector theorem. Now today we are going to start property of three parallel lines. For three parallel lines there is some special property in the form of theorem. So theorem statement you are writing from the textbook. Theorem statement write down from the textbook. This is the figure where a line L, line M and line N, these three lines are given parallel to each other, and line T1 and line T2 are the transversals. So these two transversal intersect these three lines in A, B, C and P, Q, R points respectively. So because of this transversal, two transversal, the parallel lines are divided into parts, and that parts in the ratio, that parts they are divided into ratio, that ratios we are going to prove equally. So given line L parallel to line M, parallel to line N, and T1 and T2 are transversals. This is given part. To prove AB upon BC is equal to PQ upon QR. The intersects which forms the divides the parallel lines into parts, that intersects ratios are equal, that we are going to prove. So by construction, join PC. This PC intersect this line M at T point. Now this because of this construction, two triangles are formed, APC triangle and PCR triangle. So first we consider triangle APC. In this triangle, this AP side, seg AP is parallel to seg BD. Therefore, since triangle parallel sides are there, we can use BPT theorem, basic proportionality theorem for that. So AB upon BC is equal to PD upon BC by basic proportionality theorem, equation number 1. Similarly, this triangle we are considering PCR. In this PCR, seg DQ is parallel to seg CR. So PQ upon QR is equal to PD upon DC, again by basic proportionality theorem, equation number 2. Equation 1 and equation 2, our RHS side PD upon DC is equal. Therefore, LHS side is also equal. AB upon BC is equal to PQ upon QR. This only we are going to prove. So when three parallel lines are given and transversal intersects the lines into the ratios are congruent. So same statements is proved. How the basic proportionality theorem, the ratios are congruent. Here also for three parallel lines the ratios are congruent. So this property of three parallel lines also we can use when we solve example where the three parallel lines are given. Now practice set 1.2 we are going to start. In this question number 1, three sub questions are there. Among that sub question, the first sub question, in triangle PQR, this ray PM is given, divide the angle QPR, and this we are going to prove whether this ray PM is bisector or not. Okay, so here we are according by the theorem of converse of bisector, angle bisector theorem, first we check the ratios are equal or not. So ratio of PQ upon PR, this angle is divided, P angle is divided. So vertex P, PQ and PR sides are the corresponding sides for this vertex P. So therefore ratio PQ upon PR is equal to 7 upon 3. It is given. Same way this PM ray divides this QR side into QM and MR. So this ratio also we are checking. QM upon MR is equal to 3.5 upon 1.5. Decimals get cancelled, same decimal. 35 upon 15. 35 and 15 both are divisible by 5. So reduced form is 7 upon 3. Both the ratios are equal, 7 upon 3, 7 upon 3. By converse of angle bisector theorem, if the ratios are congruent, then the ray is bisector of the respective angle. Converse theorems, the proofs are not there, and it is also not compulsory. Only theorem statements you remember. So angle bisector theorem, if the angle is bisected, the ratios are congruent. Vice versa for converse, if the ratios are congruent, then the ray is bisector of the respective angle. So by converse of angle bisector theorem, ray PM is bisector of angle QPR. This is sub question 1. Remaining 2 sub questions from question number 1, 2nd and 3rd, you solve yourself. Now question number 2. In this question, triangle PQR is given. In this triangle PQR, some lengths are given in the question. PM is given 15, PQ is given 25, PR is given 20, and NR is given 8. Now PQ is equal to, PQ is divided into 2 parts, PM plus MQ. P dash M dash Q, M is between P and Q. 25 is equal to 15 plus MQ, so MQ is coming 10. Similarly, PR is also divided into 2 parts, PN plus NR. PR is given 20 is equal to PN plus NR is given 8. Therefore, PN is equal to 12. Now, we are checking the ratios. Because this PR and PQ both are divided into parts. So, their segments ratios we are checking whether they are coming equal or not. So PN upon NR is equal to 12 upon 8. Reduced form is 3 upon 2. Similarly, PQ, PM upon MQ is equal to 15 upon 10. That is also reduced form is 3 upon 2. Both the ratios are equal. Therefore, by converse of basic proportionality theorem, if the ratios are equal, then the segment is parallel to the third side of the triangle. This is converse of basic proportionality theorem. If the ratios are equal, then the segments are parallel to each other by converse of basic proportionality theorem. Band kar.